Find features that differentiate it from other brands for TILYMOL Hiking Travel Backpack. And why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Phone pocket. The shoulder strap phone pocket can hold phones of all sizes and also store your change and bank cards. It allows you to quickly take out your phone and change while hiking or traveling. Hideable Hip Belt. The ergonomic hip belt enhances backpack stability and reduces fatigue during long-distance hikes. We have designed a hidden pocket at the bottom of the belt, allowing you to quickly stow it away for short trips. Hydration system. The main compartment includes a hydration bladder pocket, fits up to a 3 liters bladder, with an insulated and leak-proof design. Above this pocket, a hook and loop strap is provided to securely hold your hydration bladder in place. Additionally, a water pipe hole is located on the top side of the backpack, making it easy to set up your hydration system. High-quality material. This hiking backpack is made of high-quality ripstop fabric, which is water-resistant, tear-resistant, anti-scratch, and wear-resistant. All stress points are reinforced with stitching. Size: 11x 8.3x 16.1 inch, 25 liters lightweight design. Multi-purpose. With an independent laptop compartment that can hold up to a 17-inch laptop, this backpack is suitable for hiking, commuting, climbing, daily use, camping, beach, sports, running, biking. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.